Welcome back friends, I am Rajdeep Acharya back again with another new lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the alternative pathway of complement system. So let's start. So basically the alternative pathway complement system does not need to form the antigen antibody complex to start its initiation process. So the four components which actually play the important role in alternative pathway are C3 protein and also factor D, also factor B and also properdin. Properdin. So these are actually guys the four important component which actually play the important role in alternative pathway. So in alternative pathway you guys now learn that the antigen antibody complex does not need to form because the alternative pathway actually antigen antibody independent pathway. So now we'll talk about the process of alternative pathway. So let's start guys. So basically the alternative pathway begins with C3 protein guys. So basically the alternative pathway begins with C3 protein. In our body the C3 complement protein actually the C3 complement protein spontaneously hydrolyze and form actually the C3A and also C3B. So basically in our body the C3 complement protein spontaneously hydrolyze and form C3A and C3B. And in the next step we will get to see that the factor B will react with factor D and divide into two parts. The factor B will divide into two parts. One part is actually capital B small a, another part is actually capital B small b guys. And in the next step we will get to see that the capital B small b will attach with the C3b small b. So now the C3b small b and capital B small b. So in the next step we can see that the capital B small b attach with the C3b small b. And now guys this portion, this C3b small b along with the capital B small b known as C3 convertase. So this is actually known as C3 convertase. So from the name of C3 convertase you guys know that in the next step in the next step, when C3 will come, the C3 will react with C3b small b and capital B small b, and the C3 will divide into two parts. One part is actually C3a, another part is actually C3b, and the C3b will attach with this part and C3a will release. So basically C3b will be capital B small b, and again C3b small b. So now guys, this portion C3b small b capital B small b C3b small b is actually known as C5 converters. So this is actually known as C5 converters. Now guys, in the next step, the C3b small b capital B small b and C3b small b will attach with propertine. So basically now I am drawing a plasma membrane. So I am drawing a plasma membrane. So this is actually a diagram of plasma membrane. This is actually a diagram of plasma membrane. So this is actually a diagram of plasma membrane, and this is actually this portion is actually C3b, and it is actually the capital B small b. So this is actually the portion So this is actually the portion. So this C3b small b, capital B small b and C3b small b will attach with propertine protein. So this portion will attach with propertine protein, and the propertine protein will attach with the plasma membrane. And after attachment with the plasma membrane, the C5 will come. Now the C5 will come. C5 finally come, and the C5 will react with the C3b small b, capital B small b and C3b small b, which is actually the C5 converters, and it will divide into two parts. Guys. One part is actually C5a, another part is actually C5b. And now again I am drawing the structure of plasma membrane. I mean the diagram, simple diagram. This is actually a simple diagram. This is actually a simple diagram of plasma membrane. It's not a typical structure. So basically the C5b will attach with the plasma membrane, and the C5b will recruit other protein like C6, C7, C8. So the C5b will recruit those proteins, and they will form C6b B7, 8, 9, C5B. So they will form C5B, C6B, C7B, C8B, C9B. I mean C8B. Okay guys. So they will form C5B, C6B, C7B and C8B. And this complex basically this complex will start initiation will start this complex will start initiation of polymerization of C9 protein. So basically the C5B will recruit C6, C7 and C8 complement protein, and those protein will attach with C5B and they will form C5B, C6B, C7B and C8B complex. And after that this complex will start initiation of polymerization of C9, and this will initially form the MAC. So MAC is actually the membrane attack complex. And after the formation of MAC, I mean after the formation of MAC, the cell will leads to the lysis pathway. So basically after the formation of MAC, the cell will lead to lysis. So this is how actually the alternative pathway of complement system works. So from the beginning again, the alternative pathway is actually antigen antibody independent pathway. So in the classical pathway, you guys know that in classical pathway, if you want to initiate the classical pathway, then you need to form the antigen antibody complex. But in case of alternative pathway, you don't need to have the antigen antibody complex, because in this case the whole cascade of reaction starts from C3 complement protein. And also guys, the C3 complement protein is continuously hydrolyzed and form C3A and C3B, and the C3B and the factor B, which is actually react with factor D and form capital B small b, capital B small a, and the capital B small b attach with C3B and form C3B capital B small b, which is actually C3 convertase. And the C3 convertase react with C3 and the C3 divide into C3A and C3B. The C3B attach with this part and C3A actually release from this, and then they will form C5 convertase. And the C5 convertase actually attach with the propardin protein. It's actually propardin protein, and the propardin protein attach those complex with plasma membrane, and C5 come and C5 again divide into C5A and C5B. The C5B protein attach with the plasma membrane again and recruit C6, C7 and C8 protein, and then they will form C5B, C6B, C7B and C8B complex. This complex actually initiates the polymerization of C9 protein, which actually leads to the formation of MAC, and then the MAC actually leads to the lysis of the cell. So this is how actually the alternative pathway work. I hope you guys have learned something from this video. If it is helpful, then subscribe this channel and also like this video and share this video among your friends who are in need of this video. Thank you so much guys.